Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless entry, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.